Have you ever wondered how fish reproduce? It's a fascinating process that takes place beneath the water's surface, often unseen by the human eye. The world of fish reproduction is as diverse as the species themselves, with each fish having a unique approach to ensuring their lineage continues. The basics of fish reproduction are intriguing, with variations that range from simple to complex. But no matter the species, one thing is certain. Fish reproduction is a natural marvel that has evolved over millions of years. Among the multitude of fish species, two primary types of reproduction stand out: oviparity and viviparity. Oviparity involves fish laying eggs that develop and hatch outside the body, while viviparity sees fish giving birth to live young, much like mammals. Each method has its own set of advantages and challenges, reflecting the adaptability and resilience of these underwater creatures. So, now that we've established the two main types of fish reproduction, let's delve deeper into each one. Oviparity, the most common type of fish reproduction, involves fish laying eggs in the water, often in large numbers. Let's dive deeper into this fascinating process. Picture this: a female fish, in sheer biological instinct, releases hundreds, sometimes thousands of tiny eggs into the water. Shortly after, the male fish swims up and releases his sperm, fertilizing these eggs externally in a dance as old as the oceans themselves. But here's the catch: not all of these eggs will make it. The aquatic world is teeming with predators, and these vulnerable eggs often serve as easy meals. It's a harsh reality, but it's also a testament to the resilience of these aquatic creatures. They play a high-stakes numbers game, laying as many eggs as possible to increase the odds of survival for their offspring. As we can see, oviparity is a numbers game. The more eggs a fish lays, the higher the chances of survival for her offspring. But what about viviparity? Now, let's take a closer look at how oviparity works in action. The first step involves the female fish choosing a suitable location to lay her eggs. It could be a quiet corner of a coral reef, a secluded spot in a riverbed, or a hidden crevice among rocks. The selection of the right spot is crucial to the survival of the eggs and, eventually, the offspring. The next part of this process is called spawning. The female releases her eggs into the water, a spectacle that can be quite mesmerizing to witness. And the act doesn't end there. The male fish, sensing the release of eggs, swims up and releases his sperm, fertilizing these eggs externally. The dance of life, as we like to call it, takes place in the open waters, a testament to the resilience and tenacity of these aquatic creatures. This process, while simple, is a crucial part of the life cycle of many fish species. It's a fascinating spectacle of nature that plays out in the depths of our oceans and rivers, often unnoticed by human eyes. Viviparity, on the other hand, is a less common but equally fascinating form of fish reproduction. Now, you might ask, what exactly is viviparity? Well, it's a reproductive strategy where fish give birth to live young rather than laying eggs. Yes, you heard it right, live young. This method is quite extraordinary. It offers a significantly higher degree of protection to the offspring, safeguarding them from predators and harsh environmental conditions until they are ready to venture out into the world. However, viviparity is not without its challenges. It demands more energy and resources from the mother, who has to nourish the young inside her body until birth. The trade-off is intriguing, isn't it? In essence, viviparity is a testament to the adaptive prowess of nature. It's a less common but highly effective survival strategy that showcases the mesmerizing complexity of life underwater. Viviparity may be less common, but it's an impressive example of the lengths to which nature will go to ensure the survival of a species. Viviparity, while less common, is a truly remarkable process. It all begins when the female fish carries the fertilized eggs inside her body. This is a stark contrast to oviparity, where the eggs are laid outside the body. As the eggs mature, the mother nourishes and protects them, a task requiring a considerable amount of energy and resources. Nonetheless, this process ensures that the young fish are given the best possible start in life. When the young fish are ready, a truly miraculous event occurs. The mother gives birth to them, fully formed and ready to swim. This is an awe-inspiring sight, a testament to the marvels of nature. This process offers the young fish a higher degree of protection compared to oviparity, shielding them from predators and harsh conditions even before they are born. Despite the higher energy demands, viviparity ensures a higher survival rate for the offspring, making it a worthwhile investment for the species that employ it. Indeed, the act of giving birth is a remarkable display of nature's intricate balance between risk and reward. So, to wrap up, Fish reproduction is a complex, fascinating process that varies greatly among species. We've delved into the wonders of oviparity, where eggs are laid and fertilized externally, and the intricacies of viviparity, a process in which live young are born. These reproductive strategies are not just biological marvels, but pivotal in conservation efforts. Next time you see a school of fish, remember the incredible journey each one has made to get there. Until next time, stay curious about the natural world around you.